hostname is a label that's assigned to a device connected to a computer network and can be used to refer to that device. I can use a hostname to refer to it in the URL. By using a hostname, you don't have to worry about the IP address changing. Your Groov EPIC unit comes with an assigned hostname from the factory, but you can change the default name to something more meaningful. Let's see how. First, make sure you're logged into your Groov EPIC as an administrator. From the Groov Manage home screen, select System and then Network. We see here the current hostname. Looks like it's the factory default. To confirm it is, take a look at the label attached on the back of the touch screen. The default factory hostname is printed there. Change the hostname by selecting it and typing in a new hostname. And the hostname can be up to 128 characters long. Then click outside of the hostname field and select Save. A message appears letting you know that the device's network session is restarting. Notice how my new hostname is now used in my URL instead of the IP address, but you can still also use the IP address to access the unit.